gorgeous day. Really nice weather. Getting cold, but gorgeous. I woke up, had a call yesterday night from one of my contractor, demolition guy. He's got like couples of bath iron tub, not iron but cast iron tubs, so should be heavy enough. Probably gonna break them in parts, so it's easier that way. But I came back and look at they're doing the soffit on my neighbors. So my scrapping my heart. The guy already saw my truck, so I gave him a card. He's gonna give me the little pieces of copper, not of copper, but of aluminium soffit. So it's a good start. My gas tank is almost empty, so need to make some cash. Now I'm stuck with that half load that you already saw in my last video, so I'm gonna need to go drop that. Gonna make a few bucks with those aluminium, that pool aluminium, change all those little pieces. So let's get ready to rumble and go get, maybe if I'm lucky, I'm gonna find some pieces on my way to the scrapyard. Right now it's like 8:30, so I'm excited. The guy asked me to go there at 10 o'clock. Probably gonna help him. He's gonna pay me for that too. Maybe some bit of demolition. I have my sledgehammer, my crowbar. So ready, set, hot, and it's cold outside. So I hope everybody's having a wonderful day. I am probably gonna have one today. Living the dream as everybody's doing. Peace out. Bad, but I was expecting for more. That pool by itself with my cast aluminium grill, 71, 76. My mixed steel, hey, that place gave only 210 per metric ton. So imagine there's 60 bucks per metric ton difference for 15-minute road. But I don't have time. I need to go to my contract, so I'm in a rush right now. Let's go over there. 100 bucks already done. It's 9 o'clock. So scrap life. My truck, 50 bucks. 3/4 of a tank. I grabbed my Tim Horton National Coffee ce matin. And my Tim Matin burger. They call it only breakfast in English. But yeah, in French we say ce matin. So yeah, ce matin burger. And let's go. We have 20-minute road to the yard. Not to the yard, to my contract. So hopefully it's gonna be heavy as hell shit. So see you later, folks.
Tournez à gauche sur avenue Hébert, puis tournez à droite sur rue Forest.
On my way to my contract. Can't pass through this. this amazing phone call. An amazing phone call. Look at all that beautiful copper over here. All those pipe are copper, brass, copper, all brass. Those are heavy as hell. Somebody told me to keep the legs, but actually there's one broken, so my set is not full, so I'm gonna scrap it as is. Couple of stainless steel sink, still has some brass fitting over here. Found a little bike. All those aluminium siding. But yeah, those two baths were at the second stage. Stairs. Anyway, it was heavy as hell. Happy that the guy gave me some help, because I would have need to break it in pieces. But now, okay, so it's done. Sweating a bit. Took my hoodies off. Sunny's outside, so maybe I'll find something else to fill up more. But it's actually already a quite good looking load. Scrap till you die, tabarnak. Yep.
Thanks to Ginsberg Gingra, I have a plan to repay my debt, and my creditors stop calling. For a free consultation, visit GinsbergGingra.com. Licensed insolvency trustees. Hey there, gorgeous. You handsome guy. You don't need to be a professional model to make your dreams come true. You just need to look like one. Bride and Groom magazine is looking for men and women, boys and girls, all ages and nationalities. Good-looking, photogenic people for photo shoots. No experience necessary, as long as the camera loves you.
Let's go check that. What a mess, huh? Steel. But it's coming with me. Special, the white stripped. That wire is copper, 100% sure. Coming with me too. Just dropped my two sinks. Stainless steel, 50 cents a pound, two sinks, $10. And my aluminum mixed, so $49.50. And I'm going to go drop that at the other yard, because this price over here, it's insane. $210, and I get $270 for not even 15 minutes road. So let's go to the other yard. Scrap life. Bathtub and this little grill and a little chair and one bicycle. $78. 78. And I'm still having this copper to put in 5-gallon buckets for my trip this winter. So I'll try to find maybe something else while driving home, but that's probably gonna be it for my day. Scrap life. Scrap till you die, tabarnak. Alright, did a mess over here. All that copper was lots of paint, but all cutted and like not even a foot tall pieces. So, another deposit. Let's check. 42 pounds. Yeah. Scrap life. Story of my life. Broom. Oh, another thing I don't know for you guys. I can't remember the last time I bought those. They sell like for, there's maybe $3 over here at least. I don't know, I don't even remember the price of them. So yeah, 3 more to the pile. I'm like 99% sure they are all working because I took them all in the same unit. So yeah, little clean. I took off that motor too that you saw yesterday on my yesterday video. So another deposit. Scrap life. Now my son is got kidnapped by my mother. So right now I have no choice. I have to rush myself a bit. Take a shower, clean that up, and go supper to mom's place. Yeah, a bit of comfort food. So scrap life, man. Keep on scrapping, guys. Cleaned up. No more steel boots. Check. And look what the other guy gave me those. Yeah, aluminium. So I'm gonna put it over there, make it clean, make sure I don't get robbed. So yeah, never stop, never sleep, don't break, no break for the scrap life.
Bust open the walls just to get the wiring. Took the hot water tank and leftover appliances, aluminum siding, and had to come back cause the furnace so big it wouldn't fit in the back. Now it's copper by the pound, wired by the inch. Got a check on the first and it's gone by the 5th. Scrapyard, nigga.